The Amazon rainforest absorbs around 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide each year, acting as one of Earth's largest and most vital carbon reservoirs. This vast green stronghold has flourished for millennia, shaping a world teeming with life beneath its dense, towering canopy. The Las Piedras River, a tributary of the Amazon, has carved its way through this ancient wilderness for thousands of years, sustaining a hidden realm of unparalleled biodiversity. Here, nature reigns as both a relentless force and a nurturing presence where only the strongest, the most venomous, and the most resilient creatures thrive. Before becoming the thriving jungle we know today, the Amazon endured a turbulent geological past. The rise of the Andes Mountains millions of years ago dramatically reshaped the region, redirecting rivers eastward and transforming a once waterlogged expanse into a nutrient-rich tropical rainforest. This monumental shift set the stage for the explosion of biodiversity that makes the Amazon the richest ecosystem on the planet. Spanning 9 South American countries, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, the Amazon covers a staggering expanse, with Brazil alone holding about 60% of its total area. Acting as a vast reservoir of life, the rainforest is nourished by the mighty Amazon River, which snakes through the jungle like a silver ribbon, delivering essential water and nutrients to sustain its countless inhabitants. In the dense shadows of the Amazon rainforest, the black panther moves like a silent ghost, rarely seen but deeply felt. Cloaked in midnight fur, this melanistic jaguar is a master of stealth, its presence more myth than reality. Elusive and powerful, it has long been revered by indigenous cultures as a guardian spirit, a creature of both awe and mystery. To witness one is to glimpse the untamed soul of the jungle itself, wild, sacred, and hidden in the darkness. Survival in the Amazon rainforest is a relentless test of adaptability, patience, and instinct. For the black panther, existence is a delicate balance between predator and phantom. Cloaked in shadows, it thrives where visibility ends and silence begins. Its dark coat offers the perfect camouflage beneath the forest canopy, allowing it to vanish into the undergrowth, unseen even by the most watchful eyes. By day, it remains hidden, conserving energy and avoiding conflict. But when night falls, the jungle becomes its hunting ground. With powerful limbs and a low muscular frame, the black panther moves with near-perfect stealth, navigating tangled roots and thick foliage in complete silence. It relies not on speed, but on precision, waiting, watching, and striking with explosive force when the moment is right. Its prey rarely knows it's being watched until it's too late. Every successful hunt is a triumph of patience over chaos. But the Black Panther's survival is not only a story of physical prowess. It is a creature shaped by ancient rhythms and guided by instincts honed over millennia. It must avoid rival predators, protect its territory, and raise its young in a forest that offers no guarantees. Sharing this domain is the spotted jaguar, the largest feline in the Americas and the apex predator of the Amazon, a stealthy and formidable hunter. These solitary cats, primarily nocturnal, rely on their exceptional hearing and sharp vision to detect prey, even in the dense darkness of the rainforest. Their striking rosette-pattern coat allows them to blend seamlessly into the jungle, moving like a phantom through the shadows. What sets the jaguar apart from its panther relatives is its unique hunting technique. While lions rely on teamwork, tigers ambush from the side, and leopards use quick surprise attacks, jaguars employ sheer brute force. With the most powerful bite of any big cat, measuring up to 1,500 pounds per square inch. They don't go for the throat like most predators. Instead, they deliver a single crushing bite directly to the skull, puncturing bone and instantly incapacitating their prey. This lethal technique allows them to tackle a remarkably diverse diet from deer and wild pigs to massive reptiles like black caimans and even heavily armored prey like turtles. Unlike most big cats, jaguars are powerful swimmers and frequently hunt in water. Their adaptability to riverine and swampy environments allows them to thrive in one of the most competitive ecosystems on Earth. According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Wildlife Management, around 15 to 20% of a jaguar's diet in the Amazon consists of aquatic animals, including fish, turtles, and even small caimans. Their water-based ambush tactics boast an impressive success rate, reaching up to 65%, a higher efficiency than their hunts on land. High above the predator-filled floor, the canopy forms a world of its own. Towering between 100 and 165 feet above the forest floor, the high canopy of the Amazon rainforest forms a vibrant and self-sustaining world. Sunlight filters through the dense network of ancient trees, illuminating a realm teeming with life. This critical ecological layer plays a vital role in regulating the climate, maintaining humidity, and protecting the lower levels from harsh sunlight. By storing up to 40% of the Amazon's carbon, the canopy serves as a powerful buffer against climate change. With over 20,000 plant species, including towering broadleaf trees and epiphytes that thrive on sunlight alone, the canopy supports a remarkable diversity of life. Nearly half of the Amazon species spend their entire lives suspended in this elevated ecosystem, never touching the ground. One such resident is the sloth, a slow-moving mammal that spends around 90% of its time hanging upside down from tree branches. As one of the slowest animals on Earth, the sloth moves at a mere 0.15 mph. This sluggish pace is a direct result of its specialized diet, which consists mainly of nutrient-poor leaves, flowers, and fruits found in the canopy. To survive on such minimal energy intake, sloths have an incredibly slow metabolism, taking up to 30 days to digest a single meal, consuming only around 160 calories per day compared to the 2,000 to 3,000 calories needed by similarly sized mammals. Sloths have evolved unique adaptations to conserve energy. Their long, curved claws provide a firm grip on branches, while their thick fur, often covered in green algae, offers natural camouflage among the leaves. This covered coat is more than just a disguise. It fosters a miniature ecosystem. Moths live within the sloth's fur, feeding on the algae and fungi that thrive in its dense coat. In turn, the sloth benefits from the additional nutrients when grooming, creating a fascinating example of symbiosis in the Amazon's treetops. Beneath the trees, an army of insects and microorganisms works relentlessly beneath the forest floor. These tiny yet vital creatures play an essential role in breaking down organic matter, recycling nutrients, and enriching the soil, keeping the Amazon's ecosystem thriving. Among them, the leafcutter ants stand as nature's tireless farmers, operating both day and night. They march in endless lines, slicing pieces of leaves and carrying them back to their underground nests. But they don't eat the leaves. Instead, they cultivate a specialized fungus that serves as food for the entire colony. This intricate farming system has allowed leafcutter ants to build vast underground civilizations with nests that can stretch up to 26 feet wide, filled with chambers devoted to fungus cultivation and carefully guarded from predators. Within these bustling colonies, millions of ants perform highly specialized roles. Soldier ants defend the nest with powerful jaws, while worker ants meticulously cut and transport leaves. Together, they form one of the most advanced and efficient societies in the insect world, an underground metropolis hidden beneath the rainforest floor. The canopy is also home to the toucan, a member of the Ramphastidae family, instantly recognizable by its oversized, vibrantly colored beak. Their beaks, which can measure between 6 to 7.5 inches long, nearly a third of their total body length, are not just for show. Composed of lightweight keratin and reinforced with internal air pockets, they are surprisingly light, allowing toucans to maneuver effortlessly through the dense jungle canopy. Beyond their role in feeding, a toucan's beak is a multifunctional tool. It acts as a highly efficient heat regulator, helping the bird maintain body temperature in the hot, humid rainforest. Scientists have discovered that toucans can control blood flow to their beaks, dissipating excess heat when temperatures rise, essentially using their beaks as built-in radiators. Masters of treetop survival, toucans make their homes in tree cavities, safely out of reach of ground-dwelling predators. Living in small flocks, these social birds rely on loud echoing calls to communicate whether to stay connected or to warn each other of approaching threats. Toucans also play a crucial role in maintaining the Amazon's delicate ecosystem. As prolific seed dispersers, they consume a variety of fruits, digest them, and scatter the seeds through their droppings, helping new plant life take root across the rainforest. In this way, toucans serve as nature's gardeners, contributing to plant diversity and the health of the jungle, one fruit at a time. As night falls or dawn breaks over the dense canopy of the Amazon, deep, haunting howls pierce the stillness. These eerie cries belong to the howler monkey, one of the rainforest's most vocal inhabitants. With uniquely adapted larynxes, howler monkeys produce the loudest calls of any primate, reaching distances of up to 3 miles. These booming calls serve as territorial warnings, keeping rival troops at bay, and as a way for family members to stay connected across the vast jungle. But their howls do more than just mark territory. In a world teeming with hidden dangers, their vocalizations act as a natural alarm system, alerting others to potential threats from jaguars, harpy eagles, and other predators lurking in the canopy. Sharing the treetops with them are the agile and acrobatic spider monkeys, true masters of life in the sky. Unlike their howling neighbors, spider monkeys rarely touch the ground, spending nearly their entire lives suspended high in the rainforest canopy. With long, spindly limbs and a highly dexterous prehensile tail, often as long as their bodies, spider monkeys move effortlessly through the treetops. Their tails act like a fifth limb, capable of gripping branches so firmly that they can hang entirely by their tails while reaching for food. These primates are the daredevils of the rainforest, swinging gracefully from limb to limb at speeds of up to 15 km/h, allowing them to escape predators and travel vast distances in search of fruit-rich feeding grounds. Port 4. As night descends, the great horned owl claims its perch. Although more commonly associated with North America, this formidable predator also inhabits parts of South America, where it plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the canopy ecosystem. With a body length of 18 to 25 inches and an impressive wingspan stretching between 3.3 and 4.8 feet, the great horned owl is one of the largest owl species. As night descends and most creatures settle into rest, this nocturnal hunter takes flight, using its razor-sharp senses to locate prey in near-total darkness. Its eyes, making up nearly 5% of its body weight, are built for low-light vision, allowing it to detect movement with astonishing clarity. However, it is the owl's hearing that truly sets it apart. With asymmetrical ear placement, it can pinpoint sounds with remarkable accuracy, detecting even the faintest rustle of a rodent or the subtle movement of a snake slithering below. Adding to its hunting prowess is its ability to fly in near silence. Specialized wing feathers with serrated edges and a velvety underside disrupt airflow and muffle sound, allowing the owl to glide undetected toward its target. When the owl strikes, it extends its powerful talons, capable of exerting a crushing force of up to $300 lbs per square inch, easily dispatching prey such as mice, snakes, rabbits, and even other birds. The forest floor and lower leaves teem with arachnids. The crab spider, scientifically known as the Thomisidae, is a true master of disguise. Unlike web-spinning spiders, these stealthy hunters rely on their remarkable ability to change color, shifting between shades of green, yellow, or brown to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This camouflage serves a dual purpose, helping them evade predators while allowing them to ambush unsuspecting prey with lightning-fast precision. Meanwhile, the Goliath bird-eater, Theraphosa blondi, the world's largest tarantula, forgoes web building entirely. Instead, this ambush predator relies on stealth and vibration-sensitive hairs on its legs to detect movement near its burrow. When the moment is right, it lunges with explosive speed, sinking its 2.5 centimeter-long fangs into its prey and injecting venom to quickly immobilize it. Another expert in camouflage is the katydid, an insect so perfectly adapted to its environment that it resembles a living leaf. From delicate vein-like structures to coloration that changes with the seasons, katydids use their leafy disguise to remain undetected by predators. Some even bear markings that mimic insect bite damage, further enhancing their deception. It is estimated that the Amazon rainforest harbors around 2.5 million insect species, many of which have evolved extraordinary adaptations to survive in this dense, competitive world. Masters of disguise, leaf-mimicking katydids, stick insects, and camouflaged butterflies blend seamlessly into their surroundings, avoiding predators while continuing their essential roles in pollination and decomposition. From July to December, when food is plentiful and weather conditions are ideal, macaws begin their nesting season in the Amazon rainforest. These intelligent birds are highly selective when choosing a nesting site, with around 80% of macaw species preferring to build their nests high in the canopy, 20 to 30 meters above the ground. Macaws particularly favor towering trees like the kapok, known for its thick, sturdy trunks and sprawling roots. Their brilliantly colored plumage, far from being a disadvantage, serves as a visual deterrent, signaling their strength and alertness to potential predators. Macaws are highly social and cooperative, often working together to defend their nests and territory. Flitting among them are hummingbirds, whose tiny hearts beat 1,200 times a minute as they hover to drink nectar. These tiny powerhouses have the highest metabolism of any bird species, requiring them to consume vast amounts of nectar relative to their body weight. Perched on delicate branches, hummingbirds craft their nests using spider silk and fine plant fibers, weaving them into tiny, flexible structures that expand as their chicks grow. These nests are no larger than a walnut, just big enough to cradle their eggs and hatchlings, providing crucial camouflage and protection from predators. Deep in the Amazon's limestone caves, a different world exists. These underground chambers house subterranean streams, shimmering lakes, and ecosystems unlike any found above ground. Within the darkness, high humidity and stable temperatures create an environment that has driven unique adaptations among its inhabitants. One of the most infamous cave dwellers is the vampire bat, Desmodus rotundus, a species that thrives in the secluded depths of the Amazon's caverns. These bats often roost in large colonies with densities reaching up to 8 individuals per square meter. Unlike any other bat species, vampire bats specialize in hematophagy, feeding exclusively on blood. To survive, they require about 20 nanomoles of blood each night. With razor-sharp teeth, they make a small, near-painless incision in their prey's skin, then use their grooved tongues to lap up the flowing blood. Their saliva contains a special enzyme called draculin, which acts as both an anticoagulant and a painkiller, preventing clotting and ensuring a steady, unnoticed meal. Beyond their eerie feeding habits, vampire bats display surprisingly complex social behaviors. If a bat fails to find food, others in the colony will often share their blood meal, a form of reciprocal altruism that strengthens social bonds and enhances group survival. This cooperative behavior ensures that even in times of scarcity, the bats have a greater chance of survival, making them not just fearsome nocturnal hunters, but also one of the most socially intricate species of the Amazon's underground realm. Spanning approximately 4,000 miles, the Amazon River is one of the longest and most powerful rivers on Earth, carrying more water than any other. The river's ecosystem is divided into 2 distinct water types, white water and black water. Along the Amazon's tranquil sandbars, an unexpected spectacle unfolds. Turtles bask in the sun, not only to warm their bodies, but also to rid themselves of parasites. However, their presence attracts a surprising visitor: butterflies. Drawn by the salt and minerals in the turtles' tears, male butterflies gather in colorful swarms, delicately sipping the liquid to supplement their nutrient-deficient diets. This remarkable behavior, known as lacryphagy or tear drinking, is one of nature's rarest and most fascinating interactions. Beneath the surface, the anhinga, also known as the snakebird, glides effortlessly. With its long, slender body and water-permeable feathers, the anhinga glides beneath the surface, moving like a snake through the water. Unlike most aquatic birds, its feathers are not waterproof, allowing it to dive up to 20 feet without buoyancy pulling it back up. Among the Amazon's most infamous hunters is the red piranha. Often misunderstood yet undeniably efficient, these razor-toothed fish, usually traveling in coordinated schools of 20 to 30 individuals, employ a relentless attack strategy. Their serrated teeth can tear through flesh with surgical precision. In just minutes, a single bite can cause a prey animal to lose up to 35% of its body weight. Another giant of the Amazon's waters is the legendary arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Also known as pirarucu, this prehistoric predator can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 485 lbs. Unlike most fish, the arapaima has evolved a unique adaptation. It can breathe air, allowing it to survive in oxygen-poor waters. Every 15 to 20 minutes, this massive fish must surface to breathe. However, few creatures instill as much fear in the Amazon as the formidable black caiman. As South America's largest crocodilian, it can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 1,000 lbs. With a lifespan of up to 70 years, this apex predator possesses incredible endurance, capable of surviving for weeks or even months without food by storing energy as fat. The black caiman's jet-black skin serves a dual purpose. It provides near-perfect camouflage in the dark waters and absorbs heat from the sun, helping regulate body temperature for nighttime hunting. When it attacks, the black caiman unleashes one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom, delivering a bone-crushing force of up to 3,700 lbs per square inch. It shares these waters with the green anaconda, the world's heaviest snake. This colossal serpent can grow up to 30 feet in length and weigh over 550 lbs. A true master of ambush, the green anaconda relies on stealth and patience. It often submerges itself almost entirely in water, with only its eyes and nostrils breaking the surface as it waits for the perfect moment to strike. When an unsuspecting victim ventures too close, the anaconda launches a lightning-fast attack, coiling its muscular body around its prey. With each exhalation from the struggling victim, the snake tightens its grip, cutting off circulation and oxygen. The force of its constriction can reach up to 90 lbs per square inch, enough to crush the bones of even large animals. But this ancient ecosystem faces an unprecedented crisis. Deforestation and climate change are pushing the Amazon to the brink. In just 50 years, the rainforest has lost 20% of its area, threatening the survival of countless species that call this green paradise home. Without intervention, projections suggest that by 2050, up to 40% of the rainforest could be gone, leading to the catastrophic collapse of one of Earth's most vital ecosystems. Climate change intensifies these threats. Rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns are transforming once thriving areas into arid, fire-prone landscapes. Once a symbol of abundant life, the Amazon now faces devastating wildfires, leaving scorched, barren land in their wake. The consequences extend far beyond South America, disrupting global climate regulation, carbon storage, and weather patterns worldwide. Across the ocean, the Philippine rainforests represent another mega-diverse ecosystem. Isolated for millions of years, these islands host unique life found nowhere else. Botanical surveys have identified over 15,000 plant species within the archipelago, approximately 50% of which are endemic. Carnivorous pitcher plants, like Nepenthes philippinensis, trap insects in their fluid-filled cups. It utilizes pitfall traps formed by modified leaves to attract, capture, and digest arthropods. The forest floor is home to rare treasures like the Palawan peacock pheasant, shimmering in the filtered light with its iridescent plumage. In the stillness of these ancient trees soars the Philippine eagle, known as the monkey-eating eagle. With a 7-foot wingspan and piercing blue-gray eyes, it is a formidable apex predator. Perfectly adapted to dense rainforest canopies, it developed forward-facing eyes with binocular vision capable of detecting movement from nearly 3 kilometers away. It hunts flying lemurs, monkeys, snakes, and other arboreal prey with powerful talons up to 4 inches long. These eagles are highly territorial and devoted parents, producing just 1 chick every 2 years. The long rearing period ensures the young learn the essential hunting skills needed to survive in this dense, unforgiving wilderness. Yet, with an estimated wild population of only 400 to 600 individuals, the Philippines